Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing and opening the reset area. Backup accounts and any saved Wi-Fi passwords so you can restore them later, because a reset clears connections. Once you've confirmed battery and a backup, unlock the phone and go straight to Settings, then Additional Settings and Backup and Reset. This is the precise entry point for network resets. Make sure to stay on the screen before you proceed to the actionable reset step. Now you execute the reset. Tap Network Settings Reset and read the summary. It lists Wi-Fi, Bluetooth pairings, and mobile APNs that will be erased. You do this because clearing stale or corrupted entries often fixes connectivity issues. When prompted, confirm with your My or Google account credentials or your screen lock. This prevents accidental changes. Tap Reset Settings and wait. The phone applies changes quickly, so avoid rebooting or interrupting the process until the confirmation appears. Finish by reconfiguring connectivity. Reboot the phone, rejoin Wi-Fi and repair Bluetooth devices, and manually re-enter APN details if your carrier requires them. If mobile data still fails, make sure the SIM is seated correctly and compare APN values with carrier instructions. Toggling airplane mode on then off can nudge the radio. If problems persist, test a different SIM to rule out network issues. As a last resort, perform a full factory reset, but only after backing up everything.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.